Up every morning just to keep a job. I gotta fight my way through the hustling mob. Sounds of the city pounding in my brain, while another day goes down the drain. But it's a 5 o'clock world when the whistle blows. No one owns a piece of my time, and there's a 5 o'clock me inside my clothes, thinking that the world looks fine, yeah. On a lady, yeah.
Aloha, all you hep cats and kittens out there in Tikiland. I know it's been a while.
It's been a long while.
It's been too damn long, but we're back, and we're here to bring a little Tiki Mugcrate goodness to you. How you been, Abby? How have we been?
Oh, we got a new puppy, we got some house renovations done,
Yeah.
fence, all that boring stuff. You don't want to know about that. You want to see the stuff in the box, right?
Good point, yes.
Get the box.
Or they want to see us go to Disneyland again, which
Yes.
we have more of, don't worry.
It's coming.
Okay, hey, actually, you know, before we get to the box, let's take a minute to thank our sponsors. No, they're actually not our sponsors, but we'll be getting into this a little later. We're not drinking rum today. We have the new Tiki pack from Stone Brewing Company, but we will get to that in a little bit. That's just why, if you're wondering, oh, they have beers, this is a Tiki thing. Well, that's why. We'll get to that. First up is the Mugcrate from March. Yeah.
March 2019's Mugcrate box.
Yes. All right. So it's kind of got a volcano kind of look on there. That's kind of cool. The envelope, please. It's a little notebook. Ooh, from Inhuele Tiki Weekend. Oh, it's a program from a Tiki convention that we didn't get to go to. Where was this? Oh, this is the one in Atlanta, wasn't it?
Oh, wow.
Oh, we wanted to go to this, but
man.
that was our anniversary this year, and we had some other stuff going on. We couldn't go to it. Oh, well, we'll remember that for next time. Okay, we have the program, which we'll set aside if we need it. More swizzle sticks. This is a swizzle stick from, this is from the same convention. Yeah.
It's like we went.
It feels like we went, yeah.
Hey, it all works out.
Yeah, all right. First
So
box.
I'm going to see this surf music panel.
Ooh, yeah?
It's Friday, February 15th.
Good stuff.
Yeah, I think I can make it. Yeah, think so.
Yeah, I think so. We just hop in the time machine. We have several available.
Yeah.
All right. First up is a mug, or a cup rather. The Shores of Carcosa, horrorandclay.com.
Oh, wow.
And it's got like there's like a spaceship. I'll drop that in on Still Store. But
that's really cool.
Yeah, there's like a spaceship and maybe like some tentacles. Maybe is that? See right there, spaceship taking off and some planets. So it's kind of a. And then this sort of has like a 1970s kind of a Flash Gordon, Buck Rogers-y vibe with maybe a little bit of like Middle Eastern exotica, I think, like Arabian Nights kind of thing. I'm not sure what that's all about. That's kind of cool. I'm sure that the pamphlet will explain. All right. Ooh, a new pin. Also from the Tiki convention. How do you pronounce that? Inuhele?
I think.
Inuhele?
Yes.
So it's another pin from the Inuhele convention. A Tiki Underground sticker, which I'm assuming that means that the mug this month will be from Tiki Underground. What's this? Is it a pill bottle? Oh, another shrub? What's that?
Pink House Alchemy Smoldered Small Batch Bitters.
Oh, bitters.
We've had bitters for 3 months. Oh.
Yeah, just sitting there waiting to be used. So the Pink House Alchemy pineapple rosemary shrub from the previous box was like really good. We have just been throwing that in almost anything. Yeah, we'll be like we'll make some Mai Tais, put a couple drops of that in. It's amazing.
Chipotle currant vanilla.
Ooh, so it's got a little spice to it, a little heat. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the mug.
The mug.
Ooh, it's very square. Ooh.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, look at that. That is cool. That is super cool. Look at this guy. That is neat. Look at that. That is So cool.
Okay, we really got to start opening these when we get there.
Yeah, Montiki Imports. Okay, that's... Look at the way he sits. Oh, he's going to look great up there. Which, by the way, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is our new Tiki display cabinet here. Found this at an antique store. It's got rattan, bamboo poles, already had some of the lighting done. It was so perfect that we had to have it, and much better than those IKEA things that we had before. So that is cool as heck. What are you even making that? I'm not sure. Okay.
That is.
Okay, well, let's talk about the beer next.
Yes.
Where's the box?
Box is here. Another box.
Another box. This is a triple box.
Triple box.
So, like I said, we're not drinking rum. We're drinking Stone IPAs because they, for this summer, have the Tiki Escape mix pack.
And check out the McBiff artwork.
How cool is that? And he even snuck, now he's done some work for Disney. If you look, he even kind of snuck one of the Tiki Bird perches in there because it's got like the lights that the actual animatronics have underneath them on the perch. That's kind of cool. It's funny because on the other side of the box, that's not there. There's like a different Tiki there. But yeah, it's got a little artist profile on the top.
Look, it's McBiff himself! Darn you, McBiff! Darn you!
So, all right, Abby, what are you drinking?
I have the Scorpion Bowl IPA, and it is delicious. It's spicy, it's citrusy, it's like drinking a, it's like drinking a Scorpion Bowl without all the drunk. It's nice.
Nice. Well, I mean, the drunk is also part of the nice part of the Scorpion Bowl too. But still, well, I mean, heck, you could drop a little of that in there if you wanted. Yeah, she's thinking about it.
Thinking about it.
And then I have the Eventual Spirit IPA, which I believe is the exclusive to this box. And it's a little more fruity. It's got more of a rounded kind of a pineapple and mango, or I'm not sure if it's mango. There's just tropical fruits. It's got like just like a good tropical fruit roundness that go along with the hops really well. So if you can find this, I had to search for a couple stores until I found this, and they only had 2, and I think we bought both of them. It's what it seems like. If this is out there, go pick it up this summer because they are in limited supply.
And Stone is from California.
Yes, they are from Escondido, California.
Next box, we have one more
There's
box.
another box.
This box has stuff in it.
This box came this week as well. And this is the actual current summer 2019 Mugcrate. So.
Oh, that garnish looks good.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got to show that.
Yes.
Yes. A little. Yeah. Like a 3 dots and a. It's 3 dots and a dash. Yeah. 3 dots.
Ooh.
Well, maybe there'll be a 3 dots and a dash. I don't think there's going to be like a fully formed mixed 3 dots and a dash drink in here.
Oh, whoa. Why?
I mean, you
Why are they
never
gonna get my
know.
hopes up?
Yeah,
Why?
I mean, Horror and Clay does good stuff. I'm not saying. Okay. All right. Is this a cold bag? Oh my God, there's a bunch of stuff at the bottom here. All right. This is it's a cold bag.
Oh,
It's
wow.
a Tiki cold bag.
And hot.
Oh, hot or cold insulated casserole dish.
Oh.
Okay. Great for beach barbecues, luau's, and potluck. Holds 2 casserole dishes. Or, a bunch of ice and some drinks for us.
Because that's what I like at a cookout or a barbecue casserole.
Yeah. Montiki mug stack. Oh, do these like stack up? Are they like is it a blind box thing? Like a sum for your tiki? A tiki sum.
It says Big Belly on the front.
I don't know, but it looks like you're supposed to be able to stack these up if you have multiples, see?
Yeah.
So you could do like a stack of different rums maybe, or
You got the Big Belly.
big belly.
Big Belly.
Yeah, there he is. Look at that. Very cool. It's kind of fun. We need to get some more now though, so we can stack them up.
Yes, we do.
I mean, just having, if it's called a stack up and you only got one, it sort of defeats the purpose.
Well, that's how they get you.
That is how they
That's
get you.
how they get you.
All right, that's
addicted to
the
the
big mug.
stackables.
Yeah, like we're not already addicted to all things tiki. What is this? Exotica Moderne issue number 4? Oh, wow. Okay, so we got some nice full color artwork here. And articles about tiki artwork. And there's some recipes in the back. Just some, ads from Tiki artists. This is cool. We will definitely have to
Peruse that.
support your local Tiki bar bumper sticker. Look at that. Oh, and it's got the Tiki cat on there.
Oh, the Tiki cat. Is that the envelope
Well,
of fun?
this is the envelope of fun.
Yes.
Okay, so and then we'll get to the mug. So we have another drink pin. I love drink pins. I'm not wearing any. How am I not wearing a drink pin? I always wear a drink pin.
How dare you? I'm leaving
How
this.
utterly dare I? Sorry. I failed you. I failed her! Failed her. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's alright. It's okay. Pua will support me. How could I, Pua? How could I do? Oh my god, you're cute. Alright, so we got our pin. We have a swizzle stick, as always. Get wrecked. The SOS Tiki bar.
I love it. I love it.
Decatur, Georgia. Decatur, Georgia. How do you pronounce that?
Decatur.
Decatur, Georgia. And
I believe.
There's a pair of 3D glasses in here for some reason. Why is there 3D glasses?
10th Doctor cosplay.
Yes. 10th Doctor cosplay. Let's see. What do we get? Oh, might help to open it correctly. And it is a glass. 3 dots in a dash glass.
Oh.
Oh, that's really cool. You can sort of, and it says, no, it doesn't say anything. I'm sorry, my brain's trying to interpret words where there's no letters. So that's just a really cool glass. It is a horror and clay original this time around. Well, that'll come in handy when we do our horror hosting with Ronnie. I'm sorry, Texas Rex.
Everything is like, it's so different.
Wow. So there we go. 2.
Everything's in 3 dimensions now, not the 2 dimensions that I saw before.
You only see 2 dimensions before? I think we need to get you to the doctor, hon. You need to stop drinking so much rum. Or you need to drink more rum. I'm not sure which.
Get
how
that
it works.
straightened out, you know.
Yeah. I think for people like us, it's actually more rum. But anyway, there you go. That was the March box and the summer box from Horror and Clay and Mugcrate.
Always a good haul.
Always fantastic stuff. So please go check them out. Support them. We will have some more videos coming up. We have a trip to, what's it called in San Diego?
False Idol.
False Idol, yes. We drove down the Pacific Coast Highway in California to False Idol, and we vlogged it. And we'll have that coming out for you soon. We have another movie actually in the can that we're another old black and white movie. I don't even remember what it is. It's some old Roger Corman movie. That's going to be fun. So stay tuned. We have stuff. We have content. We swear. We've been busy. Non-Tiki life, unfortunately.
But we're back. We're back into it.
That's right. Because, hey, life was complicated, but I think what we did was we just rolled with it.
And the skull says ow because we just banged their eye sockets together. Like, it was like, I feel so bad, like, with this glass. Like, I feel like if I hold it here, I'm poking the skull in the eyes.
Yeah, but
if I hold it in the mouth, it's
but
like...
the eyes have they're a nice finger hold when you hold the eyes.
It's creepy feeling. It's
I know,
like,
it's a little... Try the nose. Put your finger on his nose.
No, that's even worse, because there's no nose. Like,
I don't know. Well, then I guess you gotta hold it like that, so the skull's out, and then you're drinking, Look, you're drinking beer from a skull. What do you expect? And there's only so much you can... Here. I got it. There. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, actually, I'll have to find... Someone in here is going to be wearing these 3D glasses, I think. I don't know who. Maybe one of those guys up there.
it was nice outtake.
Yeah. That'll go after the credits.
But it's a 5 o'clock world when the whistle blows. No one owns a piece of my time. And there's a 5 o'clock me inside my clothes, thinking that the world looks fine, yeah.